Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. This tutorial will walk you through the foundations of vibrato. Because vibrato is a naturally occurring event, it's not a technique that we learn in isolation. Rather, it's the result of healthy singing technique overall. The three elements that must be in place for vibrato to occur are 1. Breath support, 2. Chord compression, and 3. Resonant space. The next element of healthy singing with vibrato is your chord compression. Chord compression is another term for vocal fold closure. To produce sound, your vocal folds vibrate. If they're coming together fully, we have a stronger sound and we aren't wasting air. Like this. Ah. That's strong chord compression. If there's space between the folds, it's a weaker breathy sound, like this. Ha. You can hear the air that's leaking through, which also means I'm going to run out of air quicker. To feel and hear the closure of your vocal folds, try this with me. Say, uh-oh. Try it again a few more times. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Pay attention to the sensation in your throat. You should feel a little bit of air pressure building up before each syllable. One more time. Uh-oh. Now, we don't want to be singing with that much closure. If we do, we call that a glottal stop or glottal attack. It's a harsh sound. And furthermore, it can damage your chords if you're constantly slamming them together. So, our goal is firm chord compression with a balanced onset. Here's a balanced onset. Ha. And here is a glottal. To help us achieve this, we're going to employ a few consonants within our chord compression exercises. We'll use the same pattern and just change the consonant. First up, the syllable g on a 1-3-5-3-1 pattern. It'll sound like this. Ga, 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 ga. Notice we're sustaining the highest pitch to allow time for vibrato. See if you can get some vibrato going by letting go or releasing up, not by adding pressure. If you're producing straight tone for now, that's fine. The point of this exercise is to bring the chords together. Try it with me, and don't be afraid to dig into the G. Ga, 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 ga. For most students, chord compression isn't as much of a concern in their chest voice. It becomes an issue in head voice or mix, which is naturally lighter and can be airy. That's where this consonant is really helpful. So here would be an without a G. But we want a ga, ga, ga. Ready? Let's sing. Ga, 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 ga. 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 Now, the only thing we'll change is the consonant. We're going to exchange the G for a B. So now we're singing ba, 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 ba. It's still helpful, but not quite as easy as the G to maintain firm chord compression. Take this challenge with me. We're training those chords to come together even without a helpful consonant. Here we go, same pattern on ba. Ba, 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 ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Awesome job.